So depending on where you are in the world, where your subscribers are, there's a good chance that you need to comply with certain anti-spam laws in that jurisdiction. So as part of that, as part of those regulations, you need to have on your email, on marketing emails, you need to show evidence of a physical address, like a postal address. So in Kit, you need to have that set up, and I'll show you where you find that. So in settings, if you go to email on the left hand side and then scroll down, you'll see under this section here you've got a mailing address. So whatever you have in this address needs to be reflective of you, your business, your location. It doesn't necessarily need to be your home address. For privacy, you're probably best not using your home address. You may want to choose like a PO box or something along that line. The one thing you can do with Kit is Kit actually offer that service free as being a customer of Kit. You can use their physical address that they supply. I'm just going to show you what that is in here in their actual system. So this is the email address. This is the mailing address that they allow you to use inside your emails if you want to. The only caveat to that is that you need to comply with the following 5 points. Now, there's nothing, unusual or surprising in there, I would suggest, but just be aware that you need to be compliant with those. And if you are, then you're absolutely free to use their postal address rather than yours. So what that looks like, let me just bring an email over as an example to show you what that looks like. This is actually an email from my live account. So you can see in there, I've actually got my business address in at the bottom of the email. So it's something that you should have if you don't already, and you should have a mailing address set up inside Kit.